Hi, my name is Jay Grams. I'm from the Volo Auto Museum. My family's owned this business since 1960, and I have the awesome job of going out and finding these cars. We got today for you a 1934 Ford. I got it down in Tennessee from a true hot rodder. He lives the lifestyle. He built this car, and it's awesome. It's got some really neat features that you wouldn't expect to see. I'll point those out to you. We're going to spin the car around, show you the whole car, and we're going to start it up at the end, so make sure you stay tuned. What we got is a 34 Ford, chopped 3-window coupe. What's cool about this one, has a working cowl vent and the windshield pops open. Usually that's only on the originals. It's not white. It's got a drop of green in there, real light mint color. Nostalgic wire wheels. Slicks, white wall slicks, very cool. It's got the louvered trunk, real nice clean bumper. Of course, you got the blue dot tail lights. Glass is tinted, and condition is awesome. Go to volocars.com. This is for sale. There's going to be about 100 pictures, including the whole underside. It's just as nice underneath as it is on top. Slick paint, straight. Door handles, I like door handles better than the poppers myself. We should talk about the motor. That's a 1953 Flathead with a blower on it. You'll never see another blower, well you may, but I've never seen one. So it's a built a V8, a 3/4 cam in it. It's ported, polished, has the Offenhauser finned heads, and like I said, a blower with a 4-barrel on it. It's got a 5-speed trans. Ford 9-inch rear end. We're going to start it up in a minute, so make sure to stick around for that. Oh, that don't want to stay open. Check out the interior. It's just clean and slick looking. Old vintage style gauges and knobs. Trunk is a little heavy, so those shocks aren't holding it up by itself. It's upholstered to match the inside is what we got here. You have the gas filler inside the trunk. Even the bottom of the trunk lid is upholstered. So we'll fire this puppy up. Got polished stainless exhaust, even the headers. So it's been bored, polished, has a Victor Jr. 3/4 cam, stainless steel valves, electronic ignition, high volume oil pump, of course the Offenhauser heads. It's a Camdn vintage blower, a Carter 390 carb, got a machine flywheel, hydraulic clutch, a T105 5-speed trans, 9-inch rear. That's a Cornhusker frame. The 4-inch dropped axle, Willwood brakes, Mullen steering, vintage wheels. This thing does cruise at highway speeds real nicely. It's got an emergency brake, white face gauges. Yeah, make sure you go to our website, volocars.com, and see all the pictures underneath. This is a head turner. It's a showstopper. And subscribe to our YouTube channel because we get the most interesting, greatest cars, especially lately.